Okay, finally it's working. Sorry I was a bit running late because there was also again some technical issue, but it looks like it's fixed now, so the live stream should be on now. Can you see me and can you hear my voice clear? Yeah, looks like it's working now. Okay, so yeah, sorry because I have recently moved into this new apartment, so things are not really stable yet. So thank you for the patience, thank you for waiting. So now I will start the live session today. Okay, thank you for joining everyone, great to see you. All right, Gustavo, Surosh, and Arkady, Juan, and Jean, James, and Carissa, Mohanathas, and Solinanto, Kishore, and Edge, Jeff, and Chike, Vu, and Kulan, Chan, Gabby, thank you for joining. Okay, so it's working now, great. Okay, so today is the 15th of July on Thursday. So let's see what's happening in the markets. So let me squeeze my face and switch the screen. Okay, there we go. Okay, so before starting here, just a quick disclaimer is that this information today is basically based on my own understanding, not knowledge. So when you take trades, please do at your own risk. Okay, so let's screen some pairs now. All right, so Iowa, I'm actually watching the Euro Swiss Rand. I took a sell, but I already exited because it went backwards. But still, Euro Swiss Rand is downtrending. So yeah, this Kumo's still looking down, and Kijun Sen is still pointing downwards, and there is a Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen dead cross below the Kumo. So this is a potential downtrend continuously. So I will be still looking for the sell chance today, tomorrow, or next week, as long as Kumo and Kijun Sen points downwards. So that's actually one of the pairs that I'm watching right now. And let's see, how about Euro Pound? Okay, Euro Pound became flat in daily chart. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so it's ranging now. Let me see, Euro JPY in a forward chart it was downtrending yesterday, but now it's ranging now, ranging in the forward chart, and also yeah, still not really a clear downtrend in the daily chart either. So I would say this is still flat. I mean, the market could be supported at the previous support 129.62, and it might retrace backwards here. So maybe yeah, this is unless the market breaks the support, we shouldn't take any tries. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining. Once again, everyone, great to see you as always. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what else we can find here. So how about Pound AUD? Pound AUD has been bullish from last week, and looks like today's bullish also. The Kumo's going up, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both going up, and Chikou span above the candles, and this is bullish. So Pound AUD is another nice one to look for buy chance today, tomorrow. It broke the previous high also slightly, and this is continuously bullish. So let me go down to 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, this is there was a huge up uptrend and now retracing for the last 3 hours. But Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so this is ranging in this case. So when you see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, the market could retrace backwards to either these levels. So basically, we better wait until the market breaks the high on 1 hour chart as well, which is at 1.8637, and then look for buy. Or you can look at the 30-minute chart. Let's see. In this 30-minute chart also, it's been ranging. There's no trend at the moment because you see Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat also. Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen both flat right now. So this is ranging, and I don't see any potential bullishness as per 30-minute chart either. So simply wait until the Kumo goes up and Kijun Sen points up and look for buy chance. Until then, we have to wait because the market could still retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen in this condition. But yeah, this one is also good. Pound AUD is another good one to look for buy chance today or tomorrow. And there's a potential breakout of the resistance level. So that's also a nice one to watch recently. Oh, it says, as long as you're there, Sir K, I will always be motivated in my trading career. All right, thank you for the words. Hopefully you can learn, continuously learn on my YouTube channel here. All right, Ecosys and Edge Than, thank you for joining. World of Tracker and Pham and Jorg, great to see you, everyone. So let's see what else is happening in the market. Let's check some other pairs as per daily chart. Pound CAD is also uptrending. So this one is also a nice one to watch. Pound CAD. Let's see. In the forward chart, this is also uptrending. It broke the previous resistance and now looks like this is bullish. The market has been supported by the Kijun Sen multiple times, and this is a continuous uptrend potentially. And it broke the range. It broke the resistance level at 1.7341 level, and this is bullish now. It might retrace backwards along the way, but this is a potential bullish market. So I will be looking for the buy chance on this one too. Let me go down to the 1 hour chart. All right, so here is 1 hour chart, and this is now ranging. You can see the Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat in 1 hour chart. So I do multiple time frame analysis. So every time I look for an edge, I always look at the multiple time frames. So first I screen based on the daily chart or the forward charts, and once I confirm the trend on either time frames by Ichimoku, then I go down to the 1 hour chart or the 30-minute time frame and see if these middle time frames are also trending towards that direction. So here is a mid time frame. 1 hour chart is now flat. So in this case, I simply wait until the Kumo points up and the Kijun Sen points up and go down to 5 or 15-minute time frames to look for the buying edge. So, and as you can see here in this 1 hour chart, you see multiple doji candlesticks here. Multiple doji candlesticks, meaning that this is ranging right now. It's consolidating, so it might go down. It might go down here, down to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen. And that's why I hold in this case. Because I don't see the continuous bullish power in this market. All right. So I think, yeah, let me check the 30-minute chart also. In this 30-minute chart, this is also flat. You can see that the Kumo flat, Senko span B flat, and Senko span A is also flat. And the Kijun Sen flat as well. So, and Tenkan Sen also flat too. So in this case, I won't buy here because the market can retrace all the way back to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen. So simply, I wait until the market breaks the resistance level at 1.7399. And if it happens, then I look for the buying edge. Yeah, looks like it's been ranging still, and the wicks pointing up and downwards in this 30-minute chart also. So this is not a good one to watch. I mean, this is not a good one to trade, to buy. And you cannot sell from here either, because I say that the market can retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen. So you might think that this might be a sell chance, but it could go in the range also. It could go into the range, or it could be spiky market, ups and downs. So even if you sell from here, it might be fake, and it might turn bullish afterwards, because on the daily chart, this is still bullish. So in this condition, you have to look for the buy chance, not the sell chance, by following the higher time frame trend direction. So I am a trend follower, so basically I look for the trading edge along with the major trend direction. All right, let's see. Yeah, Shubham, you can just type one comment for request, and I will watch the market. Okay, so let's see. So all right, let's check Nifty as per request. Let's see, Nifty chart. So here is a Nifty on the daily chart. Oh, looks like it broke the previous resistance level. So now that makes the Kumo, Senko span B up and A up, and Kijun Sen also up in this daily chart. So this is a potential bullishness in this case. This is potential bullishness. So the market could break upwards, retraces, and it can continuously go up this way in this direction. So I would say that this is a bullish market for now. I think this slight breakout can be can change the market to be bullish still continuously. But since this is a daily chart, we have to wait for the daily candle close. Let me zoom in like this. And so here's a daily chart. And this candlestick is bullish right now. And it is breaking the resistance level. But we never know until this candlestick closes. Because if this candlestick close is going to be below the resistance like this, then as a result, you see the wick upwards like this. And if market sees this candlestick tomorrow, then there might be some sellers, and the market can still go down this way. And so since this is still breaking in the progressive fence, I won't jump in today, but I just wait until this daily candlestick close. And if it closes above the resistance level, like this, and very, very small wicks up and downwards, then if market sees this tomorrow, then buyers can follow, and I can expect the market goes up this way continuously. So yeah, in this case, I would still wait tomorrow, and I will come back to chart tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I will come back and look for the buying edge if it looks like this. Okay, so I think this is important. This is important because sometimes you might think that this is a breakout and you might look for buy chance already, but in reality, this is also right after hold. And you can actually tell by the middle time frames. Let's say if you look at the 1 hour chart, you see that this is a flat. Right? In 1 hour chart tells you that this is a flat because flat Kumo, Senkou span B flat, A flat, and Kijun Sen flat too. So unless the market breaks, as I said before, it might retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen. And if it does, then on the daily chart can be not a breakout, and tomorrow there might be some sellers and the market could drop down. So, and this is also the reason why I wait until either 1 hour chart or the 30-minute chart go up also. So simply in this condition also, I wait until the Kumo goes up and Kijun Sen points up this way and look for buy chance then. And this is universal on any pairs, any markets. So hopefully you can apply these rules and take tries by your own is my intention for this YouTube channel. So let's see. All right, so let me check gold and see what's happening. It was gradually moving up yesterday, but let's see. So here's daily chart on gold, and you can see clearly that the price is exactly in the Kumo now, and Kumo is also flat. Senkou span B flat, Senkou span A is going up, but if you see overall Kumo structure, this is a flat Kumo itself. So this is showing range market in the long term. And also if you can see the Kijun Sen is also flat. So in the midterm also, this is ranging. And the price itself is within the Kumo now. So this is also showing that the price is ranging and we don't know which way it's going in this case. So simply if I see this on the daily chart, I stay away from the market. It's hard to tell which way it's going. In the short term, this is bullish as the Tenkan Sen shows here. In the short term, this is bullish, but because this is in the short term only, the price can retrace backwards anytime soon. So you might be able to scalp on the gold to buy in this condition by following a short-term direction. But make sure that you have the stop loss, and as soon as the market retraces backwards, you have to exit. The risk management can be the very key if you want to scalp in this kind of condition, because this is ranging on the daily chart as per Ichimoku confirmations. All right, so let's see. All right, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you as always. Eka says, if one of the Kumo lines flat and another one up or down, which one we must follow? You better follow the Senkou span B or Senkou span 2. Yeah, Senkou span B is more important than Senkou span A, because Senkou span A is supportive line to Senkou span B. Okay, let's see. Okay, Jabriel says Euro NZD. All right, let me check Euro NZD. Personally, I don't watch NZD pairs because the spread are usually higher, and also the volatility is a bit very high in lower time frames. And I will also cover the USD CHF also. But let me start to cover Euro NZD first. So here is the daily chart, and this is ranging now, completely in the range. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen flat. Chikou span is touching the past candles, and this is ranging. And when I see this market, I won't be in a trade. Let me check the forward chart as well. You can see that forward chart also flat ranging. There was a bearish in waves, one bearish in wave and a second bearish in wave, and now the market is going up this way, and the prices also went into the Kumo in the forward chart as well. So this is ranging now. You might think that this is bearish because the Kumo is going down this way, but I would say that this Kumo is a bit too tiny, too short, and you cannot trust this very tiny Kumo in this case. So, and also price is in the Kumo here, so it can go up continuously this way. So, yeah, this is the market also to stay away. All right, so let me check the USD Swiss Rand. USD Swiss Rand here in the daily chart. Let's see. Okay, this one is also completely in the range as per Ichimoku at a glance, because the Kumo is flat. Once again, Senko span B is flat, A is flat, and also Kijun Sen is also, Kijun Sen is gradually pointing up, but this Kijun Sen angle can be fake because the price is in the Kumo and Kumo itself flat. So you can see that the market has been downs and ups like this way, and there is no direction at the moment. But let me check the weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame also this is flat ranging. Yeah, the Kumo is also tiny, very tiny, too small. It just twisted bullish, but this is like the newborn baby Kumo here. So this is too tiny. So you have to wait until the Kumo develops more uptrend like this way to be more trustable bullish trend in the long term. Price is also in the Kumo on the weekly chart also. So this is ranging now. So simply I stay away in this kind of market. I think yeah, looks like the market has been ranging recently. So I would say that it's been quite difficult market to be in. Let me check Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD right now on the daily chart, it looks to be bearish because the Kumo is going down. And Kumo, after Kumo twist, you see Kumo has been developing downtrend. So this is a nice Kumo to follow. When you see the Kumo going down and also it's gaining thickness, it's getting thicker and thicker like this way, this is a nice confirmation for the continuous downtrend. And also Kijun Sen is pointing down, and Tenkan Sen has been pointing down too. Chikou span below the candles. So as per daily chart, this is bearish. It's bearish. So it's been consecutive bearish in the waves, and we can expect the market continuously go down this way. You can also draw the descending trend line like this way, and the market could be respecting this descending trend line and may continue to go down this way. But once the market breaks the trend line and goes up, maybe tomorrow or next week at some point, then that will make the Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat also. And when you see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and the price in between Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen like this, then you might see retracement all the way up to Kijun Sen, or it could be in the range from there. And then you see Chikou span touching with the candles, and you want to stay away when you see this. So Ichimoku is a very useful indicator, because at a glance, hopefully, you can capture exactly which way it's going, or it's either range market or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, how about Dow Jones? All right, let me check Dow Jones for now. Dow Jones in a daily chart, it's been ranging now for the last 4 days. The Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, but I would say that this is too bullish market, because the price is above Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, Kumo, and Chikou span above the candles too still. And so there is a potential breakout of the resistance level from the 10th of May at 35,116 level. And once it breaks, that will be a good chance to look for buy. And there is a potential breakout in this condition because the price is above Tenkan Kijun Kumo and Chikou span is above the candles. Let's say if a Chikou span is within the candles like this, then I wouldn't say that this is a potential breakout. If Chikou span was still in the Kumo, was still within the candles, then you might see continuous ranging market, or the market can retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen or Kumo in this condition. But because Chikou span is above the candles, in this case, the market could break upwards in this direction. So Chikou span location is very important. Chikou span is only lagging 26 candles to the backwards, and it takes a close price. So before, I didn't really pay attention to Chikou span because it was just lagging 26 candles backwards, and yeah, I was like, so what? But after reading the original books and also my backtesting and my experience, Chikou span location is very important to capture also the market momentum. So, yep. So if you use Ichimoku, then please make sure to use Chikou span also. Sometimes I see some traders using only Kumo, only Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, or sometimes only using Chikou span breakout for the market strategies. But I recommend you to use 5 lines of Ichimoku, because these lines are equally important. Before, I used to use only Kumo, and also I tried Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen only to trade. But yeah, now I use 5 lines. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Muhammad says, could you please check USD CAD? All right, let me check the USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD on the daily chart, this is also a bullish market after the P-wave breakout. Now the Kumo Senko span A is gradually pointing upwards, and also Kijun Sen is pointing upwards this way. So I would say that this is bullish market, and the market could go up continuously this way. And the resistance level is at 1.2591, and it might break upwards along the way. But let me check the forward chart as well. In the forward chart, this is also showing bullishness because the Kumo Senko span A is up, and Kijun Sen also pointing upwards. And Chikou span is about to break the candles, So if it goes a bit up like this way for the next couple hours, then we might see the breakout eventually. So if it happens, then that will be a great timing to buy. Okay, motivation. If you can just type one comment, that would be great for the request. Please don't repeat the comments. Okay, so and with that in mind, I watch the 1 hour chart too. So let's check 1 hour chart and the Kumo flat, right? Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat too. So it's ranging now. So simply I wait until Kumo goes up and Kijun Sen also points upward this way and look for buy chance. Otherwise, the market can break also the Tenkan Sen and it can drop down to the Kijun Sen in 1 hour chart. So this is also the place where to be patient until the market breaks upwards in this direction. So yeah, simply I watch charts based on the daily chart and forward chart every day and see which one is trending or potential trend in this direction or not by using Ichimoku. So I think yeah, this is also a good example in this market analysis. All right, so let me check the some other markets now. Can you talk about Vindex? I'm not sure about that one. VN index. Let me just focus on the pairs on my watch list first in this live stream. Yeah, so let's see some other pairs. Euro AUD. Euro AUD on the daily chart is flat now. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. Yeah, there's no trend, and you can see that there is an engulfing candlestick. It's been engulfing right now, so it's been ranging now. So within this engulfing structure, the market could go up and down in either directions, and we're not sure which way it's going. The Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat too, so the price can retrace all the way back to Kumo too. So this is very difficult to read as per daily chart. And let me check the forward chart. And also in this case, you see the flatness in the market. So that means you cannot really trust this Kijun Sen support either. This Kijun Sen support, it just happened like this. So because this is ranging right now, it's difficult to capture which way it's going. And let me check the forward chart. In the forward chart also, this is ranging now. The Kumo flat and Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen is up, and Chikou span touching, and this is also the range market. As for price action, for the last couple of hours, it's been uptrending. Since 14th yesterday, it's been uptrending, but I would say that this uptrend is a bit too weak, and it can turn bearish anytime soon, simply because of these Ichimoku confirmations. So yeah, I think this is also a pair to avoid taking trades. Let's see. So let's check the USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY on the daily chart, the price is now between Kijun Sen Kumo. and Kumo flat. Chikou span is getting closer to the candles, and this is also the range market. Looks like range everywhere on these forex pairs. So this is also a condition to stay away. And let me check the forward chart. In the forward chart, this is also ranging because the Kumo is going down, but the Kijun Sen flat. And also Chikou span has been overlapping with the candles. So this is range. So simply we're not sure which way it's going. But one thing that you can watch is that the Chikou span. In this case, Chikou span has been synchronizing its movement by the past candles, and this is also a typical move by the Chikou span. You see exactly that Chikou span has been tracing the past candles. So if this pattern still persists, then you might see Chikou span tracing the past candles like this way, and you might see some bullish market along the way. But once you see Chikou span breakout, then of course you cannot follow. You have no clues which way it's going anymore. So simply staying away is a key word. So if you are an intraday to scalping, this could be a buy chance because you can follow the Chikou span tracing the past candles along this way. This is actually one of the Ichimoku original teachings and also original strategy. But of course, you have to look at the lower time frames and price action and draw lines to trade. Let's see. H says, Sir K, do you use Ichimoku to all types of tradings? Yes, I do. So I am myself is a forex trader, forex and gold. I trade mainly, and forex trades is my main source of income. But technically, you can apply Ichimoku strategies on any markets. Sulianto says, hello Kay, did you use stochastic oscillator as momentum for open positions? Yes, I do. Yeah, stochastics is one of the indicators I use to capture the entry edge. Ahmed says, are you still following KTS strategy as documented in the PDF file in your website? Yes, I do. So KTS is actually K's trading strategy. I just name myself like this because I use Ichimoku in multiple time frames and look for an entry edges in lower time frames. Plus risk management, the position sizing, stop loss to break even, and how to try the profits along the way. And tracking your own trades on the spreadsheet. This is the whole complete system is called KTS. And yeah, basically that's how I take trades and exit. All right, let's see. Property says pound AUD, please. All right, let me check pound AUD. So pound AUD has been uptrending still. Yeah, this is uptrending. As per daily chart also, this is bullish. The Kumo's up. Senko span B's up, A's up. And Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both upwards. And Chikou span above the candles too. So this is exactly the market that you want to look for. So I will be looking for the buy chance on this one too in the lower time frames. So now I look at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, I won't look for buy chance in lower time frames because the Kumo is too tiny, too thin like this. It's like a thread Kumo here. So this Kumo is not so trustable. So that means the market can retrace backwards anytime soon. So based on 1 hour chart, I wait until the market develops. The Kumo develops more uptrend like this way, thicker. I wait until it happens and look for buy chance. Okay, Jabril says, did you already look at CAD JPY? I don't think so. Let me check the CAD JPY. So CAD JPY in a daily chart is still flat. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat still. So this is ranging. So we might see some bearishness up to down to the support level at 87.105 level, but it might be supported and goes up this way. Or it can go up from here too to Kijun Sen or Tenkan Sen, because once again Kumo's flat and Kijun Sen flat. And let me check the 4 hour chart. Based on the 4 hour chart, this is gradually going down. The Kumo's pointing down and the Kijun Sen pointing down too. So there is a potential downtrend down to the daily support at 87.105 level. But I think this is a bit too tight to trade. From here, the pips wise, we have 59 pips of a room to trade. So yeah, 59 is good. 59 pips of trading room is good. So if you also see downtrend in the lower time frames, you can look for the sell chance. And daily support is the potential and the initial target in this condition. Okay, so I will be ending the live stream in about 5 minutes and switch it to the Ichimoku membership live stream. So for those who are Ichimoku members, please join the Ichimoku membership and you can continuously ask me some questions. In the meantime, let me cover some of the comments here now. Let's see, DII says, okay, I noticed you no longer post your yearly trade history on your website. Was 2020 profitable for you? Yes. I have to update my website because of relocation and also things happening on the 2020. I wasn't able to, but yeah, I will upload the history on my website. So you can come and check once in a while. Okay, so yeah, I guess I will be ending the live stream for now. So once again, thank you for joining everyone. So hopefully you have a great rest of the day. So always make sure to follow the trend direction. First of all, make sure to capture the trending markets. And when you find one, then try to follow that direction, because that's a key to success in the long run. Okay, so for those who are members, Ichimoku memberships, I will see you soon. And for those who are joining public, I will see you tomorrow. So until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, and also stay gold. All right? Bye. Bye for now, everyone. またね. Thank you.